Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick run through of 13 different mushrooms you can grow at home, starting off with the chestnut mushroom or Pholiota adiposa. This mushroom is flavorful and fun to grow because of its spiky appearance. The second mushroom or fungi on the list is Cordyceps militaris. It is an entomopathogenic fungi that has a parasitic relationship with insects, but it can be grown using rice. It contains a unique medicinal compound known as cordycepin. Moving on, we have the beautiful pink oyster mushroom growing alongside some lion's mane mushroom. Lion's mane or Hericium erinaceus is one of my favorite medicinal mushrooms to grow. It contains unique medicinal compounds known as hericenones and erinacines. These compounds are thought to be responsible for stimulating NGF synthesis in the brain, which helps repair damaged neurons and create new pathways. And one of my favorite edible mushrooms is chicken of the woods, which although very difficult to grow indoor, it can be done. Next up is the white enoki, which is a popular mushroom that you can find at most Asian markets, and it usually has a long, slender stem due to being grown in a high humidity environment. Shiitake mushroom is super interesting to grow due to its unique stages of growth that it must go through in order to fruit properly. It has to go through a popcorning and browning stage, which can take around 2 months, and it should not be disturbed at all during that time. Next is the turkey tail mushroom or Trametes versicolor. Turkey tail is a super popular wild medicinal mushroom containing a polysaccharide known as PSK, which is already being used in traditional medicine alongside other treatments for cancer. Another edible mushroom that you can grow at home is the black poplar piapino mushroom. It can be grown in a variety of different substrates and different containers like this dub tub or this filter patch bag. Another super popular wild medicinal mushroom is the reishi mushroom or Ganoderma lucidum. It has vibrant red, white, and yellow colors, and it grows up in an antler shape in a high humidity environment, and when exposed to oxygen, it will create these conchs. These mushrooms also contain a unique medicinal compound known as ganoduric acid. Next on the list is Grifola frondosa, otherwise known as hen of the woods or maitake. It is an expensive wild mushroom that's rarely grown indoor due to the difficulty in finding a strain that will actually fruit indoor. And of course, the most popular edible mushroom to grow at home is any variety of oyster mushroom. Oyster mushrooms are by far the most easy to grow, and they come in a variety of different colors and shapes, and you can even find some strains that do not produce spores, like this brown sporeless oyster here, and it is great for growing inside your home, like on the countertop, because you don't have to worry about the spores releasing and growing inside your home. Last but not least is the Portobello button mushroom. I'll leave links in the description to cultivation tutorials for this mushroom and every other single mushroom that was featured in this video. Also, check out the link tree in the description. It contains all of my social links, so you'll be able to find me on all the other platforms. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.